Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today, or this evening, it's about 5 o'clock now, just after. I've popped over to the open stadium at Chai Brook 2, East Pattaya. They have drift car races here. Every now and again they have a drift car meet and motorbikes apparently. They have a drift car meet and they practice and train around, have a little go. The wannabes, some of them aren't so wannabes, but today's one of them days. I'll put a little bit of video up now of actual race days. But today's just a meet, a bit of practice, looking at the front of that, he needs plenty of practice. Probably not the best racer in the block, but he's having a go. Like I said, it's a meet-up day, learning, practicing, training, and we'll have a look at a few of the cars. There's not many here. It's going to be a very short video vlog. This is the professional drift cars setup. A bit like a banger racer really. That is for the braking, handbrake around the bends to drift it around. So you see them out there, there's one now. Basically, it's boys with their toys. Oh, cup and cup. There, thank you very much. This is Toe. We will be meeting him during the week. Something else to show you, or Monday. But until then, here's a few of the cars that are going to be going around out on the meet day. Hey, he's a noisy git, isn't he? Well, he keeps spinning it, he's not doing a proper job. There is a guy over the back there practicing training with his motorbike. They do sort of tricks and stuff. Bit of that sort of stuff. Not to think of doing a string vest. But there you go. Let's have a look at some other stuff. There's some mini bikes over here on the other car park. Yeah, it's the car park area. Just as well we're not at Asda's. Nah, I wish it'd come off. Everyone goes to see these things, to see the mishaps. I'm no different. I used to go banger racing. I was a banger car racer for 5 years at Arena Essex until 1988. I'm on the track. Even the midgets get a go. Proper bikes. Well, oh right. That's a proper bike. So are these. I have no idea. He's doing handstands on it there. Anyway, we'll come back with a couple of different cars go on. That wasn't a bad afternoon's racing. A bit of messing about, a few motorbikes, bit of fun. The east side Pattaya, always said it. It's great on the holiday down the front with all the tourists. Where you're living here and you're out here over the east side, there's a lot of things go on that you would never know about. Anyway, little down the races. I hope you liked it. If you did, thumbs up, like, share. If you hated it, nah, you fucking hated it, what do I care? And hopefully, don't forget to subscribe. Don't have to, but it would be nice. See you again soon, hopefully. See you sometime during the week. Bye bye.